Dada to do?
What?
What do you want Daddy to do?
What do you need?
Spiders.
Where? Show Dada.
Show me.
Go point at it. Go closer and show Dada so he can get it. You gotta show him.
Sit down.
Go show Daddy where spiders.
Behind that.
Behind Dada?
It's right there. Right there.
Hurry, go get it.
Hurry, hurry. Go get it.
No, you're not going to get.
Where's it at?
On the kitchen.
Where?
In the kitchen.
Point at it.
It's on the kitchen.
What's on the
Where?
kitchen?
Right here.
What's on the kitchen?
Right here.
What's in here? What is that?
Spider.
Where?
Right here.
Point at it. Come here and show me.
Right here.
Where?
Right here.
I don't see it.
And right here on the chair.
On the chair? Where?
Right here on the chair, too.
Two of them? Come here and show me. Get closer. Where is it at? Point at it. Where? Where's it at? I don't see it. Where? Is it right there?
No.
It's right there!
What was it? What happened?
Did it bite you?
What happened?